Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file Form 35. First, ensure you understand the form's purpose and if it applies to your situation. Next, gather all required documents, such as identification and any relevant financial statements. It's crucial to have everything organized before you begin. Finally, check for any specific exemptions or conditions that might affect your filing. This preparation will streamline the entire process and help avoid common errors. Now, let's move on to completing the form itself. Carefully enter your personal information, ensuring all names, addresses, and identification numbers are correct. Then, accurately report all income and expenses on the appropriate lines. Pay close attention to any specific instructions for each section. It's vital to double-check all your calculations to prevent any discrepancies or delays in processing. Before submitting, take the time to thoroughly review your completed Form 35. Look for any missing information, incorrect entries, or mathematical errors. Ensure all necessary supporting documents are properly attached, as incomplete submissions can cause delays. Finally, make sure you submit your form well before the official deadline to avoid any late penalties. A careful review saves time and potential headaches. After submission, always keep a complete copy of your filed Form 35 and all supporting documents for your personal records. This is important for future reference or if any questions arise. Be aware of any potential follow-up actions or notifications you might receive regarding your filing. And hey, while you're taking care of important tasks, remember that life's too short for cheap socks. For other great deals and the link to darn tough socks, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.